Doors opening in glory, light pours like rivers of gold. Every tear is gone forever, every promise we now behold. The long-awaited invitation, written in mercy and grace, from the throne of our salvation we are called by name. There's a seat at the table of heaven, there's a song we will forever sing, with the angels crying holy at the banquet of the King. All the saints gathered together, every tribe, every tongue redeemed. We rejoice at the table of heaven, feasting with Jesus our King, feasting with Jesus our King. Robes of white, crowns of glory, hands lifted in grateful praise, stories told of faithful journeys of love that carried us all the way. From the first to the last believer, from the weak to the strong made new, every heart now beats as one in the presence of the truth. There's a seat at the table of heaven, there's a song we will forever sing, with the angels crying holy at the banquet of the King. All the saints gathered together, every tribe, every tongue redeemed. We rejoice at the table of heaven, feasting with Jesus our King, feasting with Jesus our King. No more hunger, no more sorrow, death is swallowed up in life. Every yesterday is over, standing in eternal light. Holy, holy, worthy, worthy, Jesus reigns forevermore. There's a seat at the table of heaven, prepared by nail-scarred hands, every promise now fulfilled as we rise at His command.